Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's do my makeup. My name is Alma.
Hi.
Okay, today I am wearing glasses. I don't know, I think I'm gonna wear glasses for a while right now. I ran out of contacts. So I am going to get started with my face. I already used this oil. It's by Shea Moisture. It's a skin rescue oil, it says. Anyways, I put that around I had like dry patches and like peeling, I don't know, but around here, like my mouth area. So I put some of that on. And now I will be using this moisturizer by Trader Joe's. It's called Enrich Moisturizing Face Lotion and it has SPF 15. So that's what I'm gonna be putting on top of my serum. I'm gonna go in with my favorite foundation. It's Maybelline Fit Me and it's in natural beige. Just gonna dab it all over my face. Today is a work day, so I am getting ready for the day and I have to go run some errands before I leave, so you know, it's gonna be a busy day today. I'm gonna buff it out with my brush. This one is by e.l.f. It's called the Ultimate Blending Brush. Now I'm gonna be using the NARS concealer. This is the Café con Leche Light 2.6. It's a soft matte concealer. I really like this one. I always apply it with my finger. I finally got my nails redone. So they're shorter, and that's why I like the shorter nails, because I get to dip my finger without getting it on my nail. Anyways, yeah. I'm gonna get this concealer by Maybelline. It's called, well, it's a 22 by Maybelline Fit Me collection thing. I just use that under my eyes. I'm gonna use this pointed brush and I'm just gonna tap all that down and spread it out. You're silly, baby. She's playing with the cats. Pick up this powder. It's a loose powder by Kimchi. I got it off TikTok shop. And with my brush, I'm just gonna use that and put a nice amount of it. Of course, I'm gonna tap off the excess. And I'm gonna use it for my under eye, actually my whole entire eye, like here. I was thinking of letting it bake under my eyes because I'm wearing glasses. So whatever is left, I'm using it for my lids and my brow area because I like my brows to be set as well before I draw them in. So I picked up a good amount here. I'm gonna use it under my eye. Now I'm picking up this Anastasia brow pencil and fill in my brows. I'll be right back. Okay, eyebrows are done and I'm gonna move on with a little bit of contour, and I'm using the Makeup Geek Tawny. A little bit of that with this rounded brush. I just concentrate on the outer part and then just move into the front a little bit.
Hey, Mama.
Hi, baby. What are you doing?
Nothing. Thinking about chocolate.
Now I'm gonna pull out my ColourPop Precious Metals, and I am going to go in with the neutral color here. It's called Too Much, this one right here. It's like a really soft brown. And I'm just gonna place that on my crease area. Oh my God, Lily's like looking for candy. It's too early for candy, Lily. Now I'm gonna get a different brush. This is like a slimmer brush, and I'm gonna pick up a darker brown. It's called Total Rockstar. It's this one right here. Next to that dark, I think black or whatever. I'm gonna pick that up and place it like above, like on top of that other one. I'm gonna go in now with my pencil. This is the eyeliner by Urban Decay, the 24/7 in Whiskey. That's the one I'm gonna use right now. And let's see how it goes, because I'm telling you, my eyes have been very teary without my contacts. And I'm gonna do the brownish today on my eyes. Okay, so far so good. Yesterday, the minute I started putting them on, they started crying. I'm like, wait. There it goes. It's tearing up again. See? I'm gonna have to go get my contacts soon. I'm gonna pick up this itty bitty little pencil. See how skinny it is? And I'm gonna use that, pick up the darkest brown color that there is in this palette, and it's called My Best Asset. And I'm gonna use that to place it on my liner to set it, so it won't move. Oh my God, they're doing great. Don't tear up, don't tear up. I have a little fan on right now because it's hot in here. I just placed my mascara, and I'm using the Define-A-Lash by Maybelline. Now I'm gonna dust off that powder under my eyes. For blush, I'm gonna pick up the NARS Orgasm. I still don't know how I feel about this, I'm telling you. Where's the pigmentation? Like, I see it, kinda. But I feel like I need multiple, like, applications in order for it to show. Do you guys see it? Or maybe because I'm blind, I could barely see it, but still, I feel like it should pick up. Like when you're putting on a blush, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal as an example. The minute you tap on it and put it on your face, it's just automatic glow, you know? Okay, and this is it for right now. I will come back to touch up and figure out what lipstick I'm going to wear. Right now, I'm using the Summer Fridays in Pink Guava. Oh my God, I love this so much. And I will run some errands, come back, and I'll show you what I'm gonna wear and touch up and this and that, blah, blah, blah. I'll see you in a bit. Oh yeah, I forgot. These are the glasses I'm wearing. So this is how it looks with my glasses on. Juleiki. I hate how sometimes it like, anyways. Welcome back to Touch Up. Okay, everybody, and here we are. I guess my under eyes did very well with all that powder, so I don't have too much oiliness, and like my glasses didn't stamp themselves here. My center of my forehead does show like it has some sort of shininess, so I'm gonna powder that up. Okay, I just picked up the first thing I saw, and it's the Maybelline Fit Me Natural Beige powder. This is just a powder, and I'm just gonna stamp it where I feel like I need it, and a little bit here and a little bit there. Okay, I think it did really well. And now for my lipstick, let's see. Okay, I pulled out my MAC, my recent purchase. I'm like, I gotta use these, right? And the color that I decided to go for is called Cafe Mocha. I think it goes really well with what I'm wearing. There it goes. I think this one goes really well with what I'm wearing and the color of my shirt. It doesn't overpower it, and it's beautiful. I think it's great. And this is MAC lipstick Cafe Mocha. It's this one. And my eyeshadow still looks okay, so let's put my glasses back on. And there it is, everybody. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I'm off to get this day started. Well, it already started, but my work day. Thank you so much. Have a great day. I'll see you guys on the next video.